How to create home business startup checklist on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the home business startup checklist easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top right here and click on the business option. Now after you choose business, go down and you will find home business startup. If you didn't find it, just search for it here in the search bar and click on it and click create. Now here you can change the name and you can change everything by clicking and change. It's very easy to edit, so don't worry. And after you finish, click here in the save option and everything will be saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.